Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we've got my brother's Porsche GT4. He's just got this car. He used to have an Audi R8. He's now upgraded to this amazing thing. Please ignore the Fiesta next to it. It's nothing compared to this. So we're going to do some kind of in-car footage. Hopefully grab some footage from him because he's got like a GoPro and stuff. And then go for a spin in it, have fun with it, see what it's like. And I'll try and get some flybys as well so you guys can hear it from the outside. But overall, it is an amazing looking car. And he's a very, very lucky man to have that kind of car. So anyway, let's get on with it. Right, so you've got a brake horsepower that you think of 300.
It's around 380-ish, yeah, we'll do ish.
Okay.
And a proper exhaust.
A real exhaust.
Real exhaust. Motorsport exhaust.
Okay. The brakes.
Right, here we go. So,
the bit that's stopping all this power.
So GT3 brakes, genuinely taken from the GT3 apparently, and mated to GT3 suspension. So proper motorsport stuff. Bespoke rear suspension, also designed just for this car, which is quite special, and I like to highlight that point because few manufacturers spend all the R&D time on designing something bespoke for one model, if that makes sense. Normally unique bits that you from different, they've actually made that specifically for the GT4, which is that's cool. I like that.
Yeah.
And yes, proper exhaust. Only in manual because it's a driver focused car. You can't do PD counties, which is cool. Stone chips.
Extra stone chips.
Yeah.
What
else are we saying?
What about your? Oh, you've got adjustable stuff, haven't you? Adjustable.
Oh, I have full coilovers. Is that right? Is that the right one?
Yeah.
You're the tuner, so you should know about this.
Coilovers are probably a thing, but I don't know about this price range, whether they call them that or not.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that's true. But it's fully adjustable suspension. You have a little PASM bar which stiffens it from here, but that's just like a moderate,
right? Okay.
Sort of an adaptive type suspension system. But I guess the full coilover pack is if you're tracking it and you can actually get it up on a ramp and mess around with it. So that's cool. So we like that.
And you've got your aero stuff that you can do. So if you were to go on the track spec stuff.
Aero. We like aero. So
we do like aero.
Apparently, yeah. With my when I sort of took delivery of the car, they gave me little sort of the usual paperwork and booklets and stuff. And one of those sort of booklets is how to set it up and get it track ready. Was how it said, which is cool. I like that. I've never had a car that says track ready. So we took that, and then when you go through all that, it tells you sort of tyre pressure, all that kind of stuff. But one of the things it states, is the aero. So apparently, if you remove these little sort of, I think they're wind channels or they're sort of channels around the front wheels. You take them off, and then you have to adjust the rear wing by like 7 degrees to even out the downforce. But apparently that way it's in like maximum attack mode, and it's got like the most downforce it can.
Right.
It can, it can get out of it. So it's proper track use, and it does say prohibited on road use. So if we do, we can't tell anyone. But yeah. So all in all.
Do you know if it's easy to adjust? Or is it like a full blown?
Yeah, that's true actually, yeah. I think it's something you need a ramp and not a workshop. You need to be like part of a race team probably to actually make that work. So, okay, yeah, I won't be doing it, but it's nice to know I can do it.
Yeah.
So it's got it, isn't it?
Are you going to do a track session with this?
This is going to be tracked. I don't know when. But you can't not, could you really?
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
If you got a car like this, so you got to use it.
Yeah, it's got to be done, isn't it? And then, so one of the things that I wanted to film was sort of naturally aspirated versus tuner. That was my little theme of today for me, anyway.
Okay.
And so, from a tuner's perspective, because obviously NA engines you can't do a great deal with, really, am I right?
Without a load of money, yeah.
Yeah. Whereas turbocharged, you've got lots of endless opportunities to do things. So on your car. In fact, your car,
well, we are like.
Let's explain to my viewers.
Obviously, I've got a Fiesta ST that's stage 2, which is basically 240-ish brake horsepower.
Ish, we like it.
Because basically every dyno is different, so you can never get a proper reading exactly what your engine's making. I will soon be sticking a turbo on it, which will bring me up to 330 brake horsepower.
And it already has a turbo, but you're greedy on a big
Yeah,
one.
basically. Now what I want to know, and what have seen some videos of the turbo that I'm putting on my car, is whether my car can, I don't want to say keep up, but do justice. So for its price range, which is, it's about, or I say new, about 10,000 miles on the clock, it was about £13,000. So we're talking 7 times-ish less than your car.
Yeah.
Not to kind of put it in perspective, but basically what I want to do is, can my car keep up with this Porsche, or at least, you know, be there. Give it a good go.
And
so
I quite
that's
like
going to be the task.
This is Cridford's Porsche, ladies and gentlemen. Show them Cridford's
nice
Porsche.
little Porsche.
Recommended. I've been here.
We've made it.
Buy it from here, but yeah, no, we like that. But yeah, that's a good point. See, that's the thing, isn't it? That's where tuning comes in. You can make sort of stuff that's relatively affordable,
obviously
crazy and pushing things that are like this.
Exactly.
Much more expensive.
So I guess that's where, I don't know what the price range is in terms of where people would probably stop tuning their cars. We see loads of like BMWs and stuff that get tuned to stupid figures, but when you get a car like this, I don't know, I wouldn't touch it. Like, it's set up exactly how it should be, like, you know, you drive it how it's meant to be. And everything about it's built to be this speed, this spec, basically. We'll have to look at like weight to power ratio and stuff like that, because then
we do need,
if we can work out how much your, oh yeah, that bus is leaning.
Enthusiastic, bus driver, only Sunday blast.
If we could work out kind of what weight your car's got and what power it's got, and then work out, you know, everything like that, same with my car, then it'll give us an idea before the actual race.
There's a race, you heard it here.
We could do a race.
We could do a race.
Or a few pulls anyway. But
yeah, I need to sort of see. Yeah, it would be interesting for me. I mean, I must admit,
it'll be good.
Confident, but I do worry when you start saying bigger turbo and stuff, because this is not a drag car. It's not a 0 to 60 car. Really, it's a track car, isn't it? But it's all about handling, mid-engine layout, all that kind of stuff. But in a straight out and out sort of quarter mile, it could be interesting.
Top speed you'll do me every time, but I reckon from like
180,
40 to I think mine might top out about 150, 160 by the time I get it tuned.
Yeah, that's impressive though, isn't it?
Yeah,
that's very good.
But
that's
it's,
unbelievable, really.
I don't know, I reckon from like 40 and we go, and just, you know, we'll see. I would never be able to keep up 0 to 60, like it wouldn't happen. Not a chance in hell. I think you can, on like semi-slicks, my car can do 5.8.
Oh, okay,
maybe a little bit more. A front-wheel drive Fiesta.
Like, just put some perspective on that.
So it's about a second and a bit slower to 60 than yours.
Yeah, okay. But rolling, I see what you're saying.
But rolling,
so if you're in the right gear, the right reservoir, your turbo up, then you can give it a good go.
Give it a go.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. We'll see. I mean, the turbo that I'm putting on my car, it's gone up against so Golf R with like DSG boxes, i.e. they don't have to change. So
the cheating,
or you know, there is a cheating gearbox, and it's gone up against that, and it pulls against that.
It does. Really?
Yeah. It's
wow. So
and then if I was to get
3 before that, and you know, a long time ago, and that same sort of 300 brake horsepower, aren't they? Those kind of things are pushing out. So that's impressive.
Yeah.
We like that.
We've got a C63 AMG.
Right.
It pulls against that, and I think that's 500 brake, isn't it?
How's that? Yeah.
Because it weighs a ton.
Wow.
So it pulls against that, and then.
Bloody hell. Well, you really will give this a run for its money.
Yeah.
Because that's a quick car.
And a Porsche. Is it a 917?
What have we got? We've got a 718, which is the Cayman,
maybe a 718. I'm not sure. I'll have to find the video, but that was with a custom tune, which is 360, same turbo, just a custom tune, and he was basically neck and neck with the Porsche. So I'm planning on being basically, I'm thinking 1 car length behind is my target for when I've got the turbo.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah.
But I'm sure it'll be like 2 or 3 car lengths, and I'll get.
I don't know. Some of the cars you're referencing there.
Yeah.
I doubt this would do a lot more past them anyway.
Obviously, I may have to ditch the rear seats, ditch the passenger seat.
Yeah, to even things up.
Yeah, wait, exactly.
So yeah, absolutely. That's
But
yeah,
it's a thing we
it's
can
a
do.
project, isn't it? So that's the thing. Yeah, and that's the thing, I suppose. Tuner V, what I'm talking about. You can do so much more with your car, other than put some, I don't know, bits of carbon or I don't know where I'm going. Straight on. Yeah.
I don't know.
There's not a great deal I could do more to this, really, is there?
You wouldn't want to.
No, I mean it's sort of made. It's just been done right first time, isn't it? So I'd only spoil the recipe, I suppose, if I tinker with it. But it's nice. I do like the adaptability and customisation that you have, the options you have. So
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Best of both worlds, I suppose, aren't they?
Yep.
I suppose. Well, that's the ideal garage, is it not? Something you can fiddle with, and then something that's.
Yeah. So that's what I'm planning in my head is to turn my car into a track orientated car. Yeah. So soon it will get stripped out of bucket seats.
Oh, okay.
But we're talking maybe 6 months down the line.
Sure. Still, yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. See how it goes.
Good times. All right. Well, there we go. We've done our little bit. And I guess that's the next. Well, that's the next time we're going to meet, then, isn't it? The race.
The race.
Or we just call it that. It's the race.
So yeah, it should be around December time that I get it put on.
Yeah, there'll be wet, sleepy
and then we'll have
perfect.
exactly.
It's just what you need. Yeah. Good. Okay.
So there we go. December race.
December race. You heard it here first.